Good morning, everyone. So this is a quick video to show you how to get subtitles on in the background. I know those of you that have been here a while know how to do this already, but many of us are new or just want to see something different. I know that Minot has shared this in the past as well, that we can use PowerPoint to put subtitles up for our EB students. And primarily, our EB students speak Spanish. So what I do personally, and I know a lot of you use OneNote, and I use PowerPoint in the background. So here is my PowerPoint. What I want to do to produce subtitles is I go to Slideshow, and then first I select Always Use Subtitles. And then down here, I make sure that the spoken language is English, that's me, and then that my subtitle language is in Spanish. And then here you're going to select where you want it to be. Do you want it to be overlaid, like on top of the slide, or below the slide? And then you select, make sure you're selecting your internal microphone that's in your computer. And there are also more settings here. I use this to increase the font size of my subtitles. So I go down here and you can see I have it at 150%. I felt like 200% was a little bit too big, but I did realize after looking in some classrooms that, and my own, that some of the students couldn't read the subtitles because they were too far away. It also helps to speak a little bit slower. I'm a fast talker, so I have to slow myself down so that they can read it while I'm speaking as well. You can change some of the things about the background, the color, etc. right here. Okay, so I put it at 150%. When you're ready to actually use them, what you're going to do is just have a regular slide. I mean, you could do your presentation in slides if you're creating a PowerPoint, but I use OneNote for most of my stuff because it's easy to write on. So I'm going to hit play from the beginning. You can see at the very bottom that the subtitles should be starting. It says starting subtitles. Hopefully it's going to start recording my subtitles. I think at the moment it's probably not because I'm doing this on Screencast-O-Matic. But let me give it one more try. I'm going to exit out of it. And I'm going to play it from the beginning. But since Screencast-O-Matic is using my microphone right now, I don't know that PowerPoint is going to. It says it's listening down here. So that's good. Oh, there it is. It's finally started. There it is in Spanish at the bottom. And then if I want to select what I want to use, in this case I want to use OneNote for my lesson today, you can either hit the Windows button, which is what I tend to do. I hit the Windows button and select what I'm using today. And then I'm just going to size the screen so that it's not covering up the subtitles. Okay, so I'm going to size that, make sure none of the subtitles are getting covered up. And then I just zoom in on the area that I'm presenting today so that they can see the subtitles. I have them at the bottom, but you of course can also have them at the top. Okay. Now, one thing that Hannah did show me is another way that you can do it is Alt Tab, and then you can tab, just keep hitting the tab button until you get to the one you want to open. So if OneNote is the one I want, I release the Alt button and there it is. I personally use the Windows button, but both work just fine. You just have to resize your window to what you want it to be. Okay, so this is a great tool for our students. If you can use it, I highly recommend it, especially if you have plenty of students that speak Spanish in your class and you don't have anyone to support you in those classes. Okay, I do find the larger subtitles are super helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to me or anyone else that already uses it and we can help you out. Have a great day, guys.